Judge of all the nations, ruling with his rod. The church's living head, first begotten from the dead.